Good morning, dear students. Welcome again to your English e-learning class. Today we will study lesson number 22 of your English B book, that is articles. Now let's understand what are articles. Articles are those words which are used before nouns. आर्टिकल्स वो वर्ड्स होते हैं जिन्हें हम नाउन्स से पहले यूज़ करते हैं एंड एज यू ऑलरेडी नो अ नाउन इज़ अ नेम ऑफ एनी पर्सन प्लेस और थिंग. Articles are of two types. First one is indefinite articles and second one is definite articles. Now let's understand indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are used to talk about things which are not particular, or when talking about something or someone for the first time. That means we use indefinite articles when we are talking about things in general or for the first time. Indefinite articles are a and an. Now let's learn where to use a and an. A and an are used with singular countable nouns. Singular means one and countable means those things which we can count. For example, 5 apples, 1 tomato, 4 bananas. And uncountable means those things which we cannot count. For example, here sugar. We can say a jar of sugar, a spoon of sugar, but we cannot say 1 sugar, 4 sugar. These are uncountables. Students, please remember the noun should be singular as well as countable. We can use a and an only when both the conditions are fulfilled, that is singular and countable. Now we use a before the words that begin with a consonant sound. And as you already know, there are 5 vowels which are A, E, I, O, U, and the rest of the letters are consonants. So we use a with nouns starting with a consonant sound. Now an. We use an before the word that begins with a vowel sound. Dear students, please remember we have to check the starting sound of the word to check whether to use a or an. Now we use a with consonant sound. For example, a lamp, a door, a house, a bag, a tomato, and an with vowel sound. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, etc. Let's pronounce the following: European, Union, uniform. All these words begin with YU phonic sound, which is a consonant sound. So we use a with these words. For example, a union, a European. Now, owner, honest, are. All these words begin with O phonic sound, that is a vowel sound. Hence, we say an honest man and are. Students, I hope you must have understood where to use a and where to use an. Let's learn with the help of some examples. First one is they have finished a unit. Here unit starts with U, which is a vowel. But phonic sound is YU. So we will use a. a unit. Next one, Peter has an aunt in Berlin. Here, aunt starts with a vowel, so we will use an. Third one, I need a blue pen. Here, blue starts with a consonant sound, so we will use a. In this way, we will check whether to use a or an. Now, let's learn about definite article. Definite article is the. We use the when we refer to a particular person, place, or a thing, or when mentioned a second time. For example, we have a test tomorrow. Here we are talking about a test in general. So we used a. Now we want to do well in the test. Here we are talking about a test which we were already talking about. So we used the when mentioned second time. Before ordinal numbers, example first, second. For example, you are the first to reach the top with special names of places, rivers, mountain ranges, books, etc. For example, the Taj Mahal is situated in Agra with sun, moon, earth, and sky. Let's understand with the help of examples. First one, the earth revolves around the sun. Here we have used the with earth as well as sun. Let's have a look at the third one. Columbus was one of the first sailors to cross the Atlantic. We used the with first because it is an ordinal number and with Atlantic because it is an ocean. Now let's understand usage of a and the with the help of example. Ram has a car and a motorbike. The car is blue and the motorbike is red. In the first sentence, we used a with car as well as motorbike because we are talking about general car or motorbike, not any specific one. But in the second sentence, we used the with car as well as motorbike because now we are talking about a particular car and motorbike which we were already talking about. That is, we are mentioning them for the second time. So we have used the. Dear students, I hope you must have understood articles now. Try solving your book work. You have to do exercise A, B, and D along with PDF sent to you. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.